Is your garage door giving you problems? Perhaps it won't open or close. Or perhaps one of your garage door springs is broken. Or possibly your door has come off its track. Perhaps the culprit is your garage door opener. Just maybe you need to replace your garage door. If any of these problems are yours, then you probably have questions. How much would it cost to repair my garage door or opener? How long will it take to fix my problem? Are there warranties for garage door repairs? What type of parts will be used? If necessary, can you replace my entire garage door? What if I am not satisfied with your work? You are cordially invited to call us today. You'll discover how affordable it is to repair your garage door. In fact, we think you'll be pleasantly surprised at just how affordable it really is. We've helped hundreds of homeowners when they are faced with garage door problems. I'm absolutely positive we could help you as well. To request pricing, call us at the number on your screen. You can call at any time, regardless of the day or hour. We are always available to answer your questions. Phone consultations are always free, and of course, you'll have no obligation. We actually like what we do, and it makes us feel great to solve people's problems. Call us. We're standing by to help you immediately.